Hello, top students. Today is Thursday, the 21st of August, 2014, and here are your TOPS announcements. First of all, our offices are closed tomorrow, so you will not be able to get in touch with anybody from TOPS. Maybe your teachers, I don't know. Depends if their office hours are on Friday or not, but Lindsay won't be in, I won't be in. So, yeah, our offices are closed. Tomorrow is also our first deadline, meaning your work's due at midnight, meaning that anything you don't have done will count against you attendance-wise. And let me remind you that if you have 5 absences, that's considered truant, and you will be summoned to truancy court. If you get 10 absences, you will also be summoned to truancy court. Let's see. Oh, what's all this data stuff? Well, I posted some things on Facebook, and I might have emailed you about them, about how we did data-wise last year. Basically, we did really well. Now, how do they determine what our data is? Well, it's basically how you perform on your end-of-course test. And, of course, end-of-course tests happen in English 1, English 2, English 3, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, U.S. History, biology, chemistry. And basically, they look at it 2 different ways. They look at the number of students that we have who are classified as being advanced or proficient, and we have a certain goal that we have to meet. They also have a strange mathematical formula where they can look at the last 3 standardized tests that you took and predict what your score should be on your upcoming standardized test. And based on whether you score above or below that, it is ranked a certain way, and you are that's how they get what's called a value added. And and of course tests end up being 25% of your grade. They end up being by both criteria 50% of your teacher's evaluation who's teaching that class. They end up being 50% of my evaluation, and then they end up being 100% of the school's report card when they release that. So that's what I'm talking about. If you're in an end of course test, you've got to take that very seriously. We don't necessarily agree with the fact that you take one test on one day and it counts for all that stuff. But it doesn't matter what we think, because that's what the rules are. Those are the rules that we have to follow. So learn all you can in these classes. And really, I want 100% of you to be advanced or proficient on everything. Totally can do it. Where at the start of the semester, there's no reason that if you're in one of those classes, you can't do that. Absolutely no reason you can't. I believe in every one of you. Alright, the thought for the day today is just that. Believe in yourself. You can accomplish anything you want. At this point in time in your life, your future is totally unwritten. So, and I've talked about that before, but think about where you want to be in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years from now. And is the choices you make, everything you do, are those leading you to where you want to be 5 and 10 and 15 and 20 years from now? There's your thought for the day. Hope you guys have a great one. Again, our offices are closed tomorrow, so I will see you on Monday.